Meaning of fuss.
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 Fuss. The word fuss refers to a state of excessive or needless concern, activity, or agitation about something. It can also describe a commotion or disturbance caused by people's actions. When someone is making a fuss, they are typically expressing their dissatisfaction or annoyance with a particular situation or person. This behavior can be seen as unnecessary or attention-seeking. People who make a fuss may do so in order to draw attention to themselves or to try to change the situation in their favor. Overall, making a fuss can be seen as unproductive and often creates unnecessary tension or conflict.